Hello everyone. Today we will understand how to add fractions. So here we will have two parts. Part 1 where the fractions have same denominator and part 2 where the fractions have different numerators and denominator. Let us understand part 1. Here the fractions are such that the denominators are same. We can see that we have to add 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 having same denominators 5. So in this case, it is very simple. The answer will have denominator as 5 and simply we just add the numerator. So it becomes 3 plus 4, 7. Next, here we have denominator as 7. So we write down the denominator 7 of the answer and we simply add the numerators 2 and 3 add together to form 5. Now, let us understand the next concept, part 2, where the numerators and denominators are different. Now here we will use the method called butterfly method. What is butterfly method? We make the wings of butterfly. How? Step 1. We take the numerator of the first fraction and the denominator of the second fraction and we multiply them. So 3 times 3 is 9. Since there is an addition in between, so we add this to what? The second wing. The numerator of the second fraction and the denominator of the first fraction. So 5 times 4, we multiply, we get 20 and we write down here. Next, in the denominator, we take both the denominators of the fractions, both the fractions, and we multiply them. So 5 times 3 is 15. So now simply add the terms in the numerator. 9 plus 20 is 29 and we get answer as 29 by 15. Similarly, we will solve this example, the next example. 5 times 2 is 10. Then 7 times 3 is 21. We multiply. And in the denominator, we take both the denominators and we multiply them. 7 times 5 is 35. Now, the denominator is 35 and 10 plus 21 is 31. So we get the answer as 31 by 35. Simple. Now I hope the butterfly method is clear. With this method, you can solve more examples. Thank you for listening.